How to descale the machine. Descaling is an important step to maintaining your machine and should be done every 2 to 3 months or when indicated by the machine. Before descaling, empty the drip tray and coffee grounds drawer and remove the cover of the steam wand. Then make sure that the water filter, if installed, is removed. Remove the water tank and pour in the entire contents of the descaling solution. Then top off the tank with fresh water up to the max level indicator and place it back into the machine. Place a large container under the steam wand and the dispensing spout. Press and hold the Calc Clean button for 3 seconds. When the button starts flashing, release it to start the descaling cycle. This button will continue to flash during the entire descaling process. Once the machine dispenses all the descaling solution, the No Water symbol light will turn on and the Hot Water button will flash. Remove the water tank, rinse it, and fill it up with fresh water to the max level and place it back into the machine. Empty the drip tray, coffee grounds drawer, and container, and then place them back in position. Press the hot water button to start the rinsing cycle. When the rinsing is finished, the No Water light symbol will turn on and the hot water button will flash. Remove the water tank, rinse it, and fill it up with fresh water to the max level. Empty the drip tray, coffee grounds drawer, and container, and then place them back in position and repeat this step one more time. Once completed, the machine will heat up and the automatic rinse cycle will begin, and the descaling process is now complete. At the end of the descaling cycle, wash the brew group as described in the Cleaning the Machine section.